Hi, students and family members. Mr. Panzik going over our sequencing homework for tonight. First and most importantly, read the hints and tips and the directions. In sequence, events happen in story. They have a certain order. We call that a sequence. The sequence of events can be important to understanding a story. Tonight, we ask the students to read these two paragraphs about Charlie's trip to Florida and his retelling it to his friend Bill. And then use the chart or the graphic organizer below to organize your thoughts, to sequence the story in the order that it happened. We teach the students here in school to be on the lookout for clue words. So as the students are reading tonight, they should be looking for words such as first, and other words such as later. Those are clue words that can help you determine what happened first, what happened next, and towards the end of a story. So we use these words and I underline them to help me then determine what happened first. This story is not written in sequence because the story is telling Charlie, who is telling Bill about his trip from Florida. So the very first thing that Charlie actually did, following my clue word first, was took his first airplane flight to visit his grandparents in Florida. Once he gets there, he has a list of events that happen in sequence. Notice when I'm retelling this list, I use clue words to help signify that I understood. After he takes the flight, then his grandparents take him to the beach. Later, his grandparents take him to an amusement park, and that's followed by him taking the airplane back home and retelling the story to Bill. Towards the end of the story, you can see that Bill has a want to have gone on the trip to Florida. And that can only happen after Charlie takes the flight and retells the entire story to his friend Bill. That's how we take a story that may be out of sequence or out of order and put it back into order to help us understand a story better. I hope this video helps you complete your homework tonight.